Hi friends, I am Anirban Gupta. Welcome my kitchen. So today's our recipe is how to make salty moong dal fry. This moong dal fry I will show you very simple and easy way. Please try at your home. Those who are new visitor on my channel, so please give subscribe, red button subscribe, and press bell button so you will get all notification. So let's see how can I make this. Hi friends, today I am showing how to make moong dal fry at home. At first I will learn very step by step, so see properly. So at first I take a moong dal, and now this the soak into the water 8 to 6 hours. Then after this water remove from moong dal. This water remove, and now I remove this water properly. Friends, this now moong dal I dry on the sunlight 1 hour, only 1 hour I dry sunlight properly, and spread well properly this moong dal, and properly dry on sunlight about half an hour only. Then let's see the next step. See friends, this moong dal is totally dry at now, and this moong dal and now will fry. So let's see the next step. See friends, here add I take a kadai, then add 4 tablespoon refined oil. See friends, then after add this type of strainer. Here add this type of strainer and sit on the hot oil. Then after add this chana dal, this moong dal after add, and now fry well properly. This is the very new technique. Always try and stir well properly, and stir by spoon. Sorry. See friends, this very beautiful fry, and this dal will fry properly fried. Friends, this dal fry has done, and now this dal add on the tissue paper or newspaper. See friends, this moong dal fry properly and take on the keep on the newspaper, and for soak the oil, and this dal and this dal now totally fry and more crispiness. And now let's see the next step. Friends, this oil very totally absorbed, and now here salt add to taste in moong dal, and very, see friends, and now very crispiness, and now this moong dal is ready for serve. See friends, this moong dal is now ready, and see friends, here this moong dal is very crispy. See, and this moong dal is very tasty for snacks items. And if you like this my video, then please give subscribe, like, share and comments, and please try at your home. Very simple way, very simple. Please try at your home. Thank you so much.